Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at AmericanEmergencyFund.com, a site that claims to connect you with a network of lenders for quick cash when life decides to throw a wrench in your plans. Because nothing says financial stability like clicking a link for emergency funds, many are wondering if this platform is actually legit or just another digital mirage. Let's peel back the layers and see what's actually going on. The first positive sign is that the site was registered in January 2023. It's been around for over a year, which in the world of internet finance is basically ancient history. It's not a brand new pop-up shop, though surviving a year online is a pretty low bar for trust these days. They also maintain a social media presence with about 2,900 followers on Facebook. It's enough engagement to suggest they actually exist, even if they aren't exactly reaching viral sensation status. The third plus is their supposedly simple process. Fill out a form, get considered regardless of your credit score, and wait for the money to roll in. It's the kind of no questions asked approach that usually makes traditional bankers break out in hives. To their credit, they provide a real email, phone number, and a physical address. It's always nice to know exactly where to send the strongly worded letters if your loan never actually materializes. However, once you dig into the reviews, the polish starts to wear off. One user reported that after applying for a consolidation loan, they were simply redirected to Experian with no other options provided. It turns out their vast network of lenders might just be a fancy way of saying, "We'll show you a link to a credit bureau and call it a day." That definitely raises a red flag regarding transparency and whether the process is as smooth as they claim. So, is AmericanEmergencyFund.com legit? It has the basic credentials of a real business, but the actual service seems to be more of a middleman detour than a direct line to cash. If you're thinking of applying, do your homework and don't take their marketing as gospel. Thanks for sticking around until the end. If you enjoyed this reality check, don't forget to subscribe for more updates and tips.